So this platform I'll be showing you is where you can earn massive income for yourself through daily profits and bag a lot of money for yourself 2025. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free tips and updates on how you can earn free USDT for yourself and start making a lot of money for yourself through crypto in this 2025. So I'll be introducing to you this platform. You can see my dashboard in this platform. I have a total asset of 3,899 USDT and I have a quantitative account of 11 USDT. So we are going to be having a live withdrawal where I'll be showing you on how I earned in this platform, and I'll be withdrawing my money into my trust wallet in this video, and also be teaching you on how you can start earning for yourself too in this platform. So quickly, what you just have to do firstly for us to see my earnings today in this platform is to click on quantify. Once I click on quantify, it takes me to this interface. This is my dashboard. You can see I have profit assets is 0.00. My today's earnings is still 0. My total revenue is 0.00. Like I told you, it's going to be a live withdrawal, and I'll be showing you my daily earnings from this platform for you to see that it's legit. So all I'll just have to do firstly is to click on start quantify. Start quantify means it's preparing my earnings for the day. So once I click on start quantify, it start quantifying. You can see start quantification, start queuing up. Before you know it, my earnings will appear for you to see what I have earned for myself today in this platform. So this is my quantitative benefit in this platform. That's 2.17555 USDT, and you can see deposit into your basic wallet. This is my earnings in this platform. This is my profit today, and we'll be depositing it into my trust wallet. So stay tuned as we withdraw this money. You can see now it has reflected in the dashboard. My profit asset now is 2.17. Today's earning 2.17, total revenue 2.17. Remember before it was 0.00, to show you that this platform is legit. So quickly, what we just have to do is click on withdrawal, because we'll be withdrawing this live. Join me as I withdraw it live into my trust wallet. So this is the interface of the withdrawal. Let's fetch my withdrawal address. So this is my trust wallet, so let me copy out my address to be able to withdraw. You can see in my dashboard I have 46 USDT. So by the time I withdraw, you will see that it will reflect, and my earnings in my trust wallet will come on. So you just have to input your details, how much you want to withdraw, your address and your password. Click on confirm. You can see immediately withdraw success. Within 2 minutes we are getting this into our trust wallet. So this is my trust wallet. So as you can see, it has reflected into my trust wallet. So now it is 48 USDT, and you can see transfer of 2.17 USDT has reflected. So let me teach you how you can earn in this platform for yourself. All you just have to do is click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, it takes you to an interface where you recharge with any USDT of your choice for you to subscribe to the daily VIPs in this platform and be earning massive profits in this platform. So these are the VIPs that we have with this platform. They have from VIP1 to VIP15. So you can choose any VIP of your choice. What you just have to do is click on unlock. Once you click on unlock, you subscribe to any VIP of your choice and start earning daily profits. And also you can click on invest. Invest is where you invest in any robots of your choice. They have from robot 1 to robot 8, and you'll be earning daily in this platform. So remember, the higher you invest, the higher big profits that you are making in this platform. The higher you put, the higher you invest, the higher profits you are making. So there is another massive way you can earn in this platform through invite of friends. You'll be earning for yourself free USDT without stress. All you just have to do, click on invite friends. It takes you to an interface where you copy your referral code and your referral link and send to your friends. You can see send friend invitation, and friend completes registration. You get a rebate income, and you build a team and get generous rewards. So very simple and easy. So I hope you find this video very helpful and you start earning daily profits for yourself. Please subscribe to our channel.